Hi everyone, today I am showing you the beautiful paithani saree with parrot design in gold and yellow color mix. In my last video I have shown you the same design saree in red color. Now I am showing you the in yellow color. You can see the beautiful border, parrots and peacocks. Total border is in parrots and peacocks. Two side border saree this one is, and the beautiful pallu, rich and elegant designer piece this saree is. You can see the beautiful pallu, parrots with parrots. The total saree will be in this same parrot design only. And this is the blouse part with border and plain blouse piece with paithani border. For more updates you can please subscribe my channel. And next I will be following you all new designs and models. You can contact me for purchasing. Thank you.